The new Icon Pet Turbo is Bissell's most powerful cordless stick vac to date, boasting up to 50 minutes of fade-free suction and a high-performance digital motor, giving it 3 times more suction power than the previous models. Icon Pet Turbo tackles pet hair, human hair, and other messes life can throw at us across all floor types. The new integrated parking brake lets you lean it up against a wall without it toppling over. And Clean Slide technology makes emptying a breeze. Plus, Bissell's patented tangle-free brush roll means you don't have to worry about hair wrap like you do with other vacuums. In the box, you'll receive the Icon Pet Turbo, the extension wand, and the motorised floor head with LED headlights to light up even the darkest areas of your home. Plus, 4 other powerful accessories, including the dusting brush, LED lit crevice tool, the mini motorised tool, and the powered stretch hose. Also included is the wall-mountable charging and storage dock, charging cable, and 2 washable filters, one of which is scented. All accessories can be connected to the vacuum itself, to the end of the wand for some extra reach, and even to the powered stretch hose. This makes light work of vacuuming car interiors, mattresses, and upholstery. The new Bissell Icon Pet Turbo is available now at bissell.com.au.